So over here in Clovis, California, we just finished installing a Bradford White 40-gallon natural gas water heater. The model number and serial number is right here, the ORG240T6N, and serial number, and you can see 40,000 BTU, 40 US gallons. So anyways, you can fill out the documentation in this little package right here. It's your maintenance stuff and your warranty papers, mail it into Bradford White, or you can go to their website, bradfordwhite.com, and fill out this information, your name, street address, all that kind of information, and they'll get your warranty going on the product. So starting at the bottom, as per contract, we did replace the flexible supply line to the gas. Those are one-use items. We did upgrade the shutoff valve at no extra charge. The one installed was a 5/8 flare, and not required. A half-inch flare is plenty to fire this water heater. So brand new shutoff valve, again, no extra charge on that. It's a $10 item, no big deal. Lower third, we have the adjustable water heater strap. Upper third, adjustable water heater strap. And then relief valve comes with the unit that's installed. I believe it's set at 150 PSI. Let's take a look. So 500,000 BTU and max, and then 150 PSI. So this is spring loaded. That activates it. That closes it down. You should check this once a year if you want to. If not, just let it run. If this ever pops off, it means you have a combination of too much temperature and or pressure in there, and this thing launches 100 foot in the air. I've only seen that happen in training videos, so not too much of a concern, but this does relieve temperature and or excessive pressure in the unit. So that's tied in. We got a Falcon stainless steel connector. It's 18-inch, full 0.725-inch inside diameter. Roughly translated, that's almost full 3/4 of an inch. The biggest supply lines they make inside diameter, they're the Mega Flex. So they're ultra flexible. You can take these out, straighten them out, bend them again. Great product. We've been using these for a while, so we like them. We're going to continue to use them. Up here on the right side, we did replace the shutoff valve. Not part of the contract either. We had an old gate valve in there that did not shut down, so we had to shut the house water off, and we just replaced it. It's a Watts 3/4 inch full port quarter turn ball valve. A lot of words there, but simply stated, quarter turn off, quarter turn on. Stainless steel ball in there, so that'll shut off every time. Iron pipe in the building, you can see it coming up in the wall back there. Got the ground rod on, and then the new valve, so we used an iron pipe nipple right there. And then a 3/4 by 15 Falcon stainless steel connector down to the unit. Other side, that nipple was good, coming out of the wall for the hot side, so we left it alone. Another 3/4 by 15 Falcon stainless steel connector. Right now we're looking, and let's see if we got any water going on here. That looks dry. I think I see a hint of moisture, so I'm going to tighten that one up a little bit more. And then this one, actually we use grease on these too, so it's always fun to tell whether we're rubbing off grease. That grease is for the gaskets that are in there. Grease or water, but if it doesn't dry up, then we know it's water. So we'll get a rag, dry it up, check these before we go, make sure that it's not water and that it is actually grease. So those are tied in, and then draft diverter comes with the unit as well. Brand new adjustable 90, another adjustable 90, brand new piece of pipe up through into the dual wall B vent through the ceiling bucket, which is already installed in the roof. So everything looks good. The burner is on. You want to leave this set at about A, right there. That's 120. I'm sorry, on hot. Hot is 120. A, 130. B, 140. C, 150. Very hot, 160 approximately. So B at 140, 30-degree burns in 3 seconds. So leave it on hot. If you have hot water issues, wait time in the home, it's nothing related to the hot water. If you're not getting enough hot water to fixture, it's probably related to the fixture and not the water heater. So leave that set right there. Some people like to bump it up to A, 130, they like hotter water, that's fine. But you do run the risk of scalding, as it states clearly right here. Scalding risk increases with hotter water. So leave that alone if unless you absolutely have to. So the water is heating right now, burner is on, should take about a couple hours, you'll have hot water. Outside of that, this installation is done.